So, hi everyone, my name is Mark Gabriel P. De Guzman from BSABT 4A. So, the example I chose to answer is all about the second law of motion that determines the acceleration and tension. So, yun po, sabi dito, determine the acceleration of each block and the tension of in the cord. So first, minano ko muna po yung required, which is yung acceleration niya and yung tension. Then, I write the kinematic relationship of L constant, which is yung uh, x sub b plus x sub a plus 2x sub b. Wherein pag dinerive po natin siya, magiging x sub b is equals to 1/2 times x sub a. And then, yun po, inalang po natin yung acceleration sub b is equals to 1/2 acceleration sub a. Mamaya gagamitin natin yun. So, next, i-determine na natin yung each block niya. Inuna ko yung block A na 200 kilograms. So, from the weight andun sa taas coming down. Then yung force from down going up. Then the tension is yung nasa right side. Yun yung tension 1. So, therefore, summation of f of x is equals to mass sub A times acceleration sub A. Where yung T1, tension 1 is equals to, yun nga, yung 250, which is yung natin, 250 is the given in block A. So, unang equation natin is T1 equals to 250 A sub acceleration sub A. Then next is yung sub B, yung block B. So, yung tension 2 is nasa taas, then the weight is down. Then, kinuha natin yung gravitational force niya. So, tinimes ko si 400 kay 9.81. Ang nakuha ko ay double check lang natin. 400 times 9.81 is equals to, mali yung una. So, tamang sagot ay 3924. So, yan. So, ngayon, nakuha na natin si equation 1 and 2. Magagawa naman tayo ng derivative ng tension 2 na from negative T2 plus 2T1 is equals to 0. Ginawa ko, nilipat ko si T2 para maging positive. Therefore, T2 is equals to 2T1. Then, dito sa baba, yan. So, dito sa baba, sinap ko lang yung given na equation ng T2. And then, yan. Tapos, tinuloy ko ng may minus 2. Then, kinuha ko rin yung equation ni T1. So, yan. Sinap ko lang siya. Then, equal 0. Dahil may 2 doon, nalagyan natin ng 1/2. Yan. Rewrite lang. 0 din. So, yan. Start na natin siya i-compute. So, diniretso ko na kagad siya. Yan. Dinirate ko muna yung 3924. Then, tinranspose ko na kagad lahat yung pwedeng transpose para mas mabilis. So, tinimes ko si 1 up kay 400 ako 200. Tapos dun sa kabila yung sa acceleration sub A 500 yan, 700. Then dinivide ko si 700 para makuha natin yung acceleration sub A. So acceleration sub A is 5.61 meter per second squared. So para naman makuha natin yung acceleration sub B, ayun yung kanina. Yan, then kinuha ko lang yung nakuha nating sagot sa acceleration sub A. Multiply ko sa 1/2. So, ang sagot ay acceleration sa B is equals to 2.81 meter per second squared. So, yan. Yan ang ating next naman ay si tension. So, yan. So, gamitin natin yung equation kanina. T1 is equals to 250. So, yan yung sagot natin. Actually, yung ano pala dun sa kabila ay A.
Battery is low. Connect the charger.
And A sub A pala yan. Sorry. So, yan. So, yan. Sinab ko lang si 5.61 sa 250 times 5.61. So, compute natin. Sagot ay 1,402.5 Newton. So, yan si tension 1. Next is yung tension 2. So, meron din tayo kaninang dinerive na formula which is yung T2 is equals to T1. So, T2 is equals to 2, tapos multiply natin yung nakuha natin sa T1 which is yung 1,402.5 yung sagot kanina, times by 2 lang natin is equals to ano siya, 2,805 Newton. So, yan guys. Yun po ang ating tension. Again, my name is Mark Gabriel de Guzman and thank you po sa panonood.